The Curtiss XP-71 was a heavy fighter aircraft project proposed by the Curtiss-Wright Corporation in 1941, an ambitious project that never came to fruition. However, this year the United States is planning to revive this giant fighter concept. The new generation XP-71 could be a high-tech hypersonic interceptor, an aerial drone carrier, or even a 6th-generation fighter with energy weapons. The new generation Curtiss XP-71 has a hybrid turbojet plus scramjet engine for Mach 5 plus speeds, with an adaptive propulsion system for fuel efficiency and flexibility in combat, and has super cruise capability, allowing the aircraft to fly fast without afterburners. This aircraft has a delta wing or blended wing body (BWB) to improve aerodynamics and fuel capacity, stealth body with radar absorbent material to reduce radar detection. This next-generation Curtiss XP-71 aircraft has a future role in global military strategy. This aircraft could be a key pillar in modern air defense, especially in the face of 6th-generation threats and AI-based warfare. The next-generation Curtiss XP-71 could be a global hypersonic interceptor. This aircraft can ambush enemy hypersonic aircraft and missiles at stratospheric altitudes. This Curtiss is also capable of patrolling at Mach 5 plus speeds, ready to respond to threats in minutes. The next generation Curtiss XP-71 can be an air command for drone wingmen, can control AI-powered drone swarms for simultaneous reconnaissance or attack. The next generation Curtiss XP-71 has great potential to be a hypersonic interceptor and a 6th generation fighter. With its scramjet engine, advanced AI, energy weapons, and stealth technology, it could change the landscape of future air warfare. However, technological challenges such as energy weapon power, AI communications, and hypersonic engine stability still need to be solved before this concept can be realized. If these technologies develop rapidly in the coming decades, a modern XP-71 could become a reality and become one of the most powerful fighters ever built. Do you think a plane this big is still relevant in the era of drones and stealth fighters? Leave your thoughts in the comments column.